anak ko to eh. Amor no amorito. Never dies.
Bumata. Bumata si mami.
Oo nga eh. Ano bang gusto mo? Ikaw na lang tatanungin ko. Yung nare-regalo ko sa'yo. Ano gusto mo? 1 million, bigyan kita.
Talaga?
Bakit? Nagsinungaling na ba ako sa'yo? Basta ka na. Ang makalamot ng bahay. Nakakatulog ng tao. Tapos number 3 ako sa survey ngayon. Kaso nag-problema nito si Bebe. Okay naman. Okay naman. Di malaki naman.
Dito. Wala na? Okay, wala na. So, pakibigay ko yung number po ninyo doon. Next one. Sino po dito ang may GCash account? Ay, paano po yung ibang nanalo po yung GCash? Hindi naman kukuha. Okay, so, bring me yung po mismong nakabukas ha, na GCash account na may pinakamalaking laman. GCash account na may pinakamalaking laman. Pakita lang po ninyo sa akin. GCash account na may pinakamalaking laman. Para wala akong mga laman yung mga GCash account.
Ay, ma. Oh my God. Oh, it's been a long 20 years ago. Yeah. We've been together. Yes.
Si Ed.
Hi, Francis. Hi.
Hey, salamat po.
Gusto po kayo. Gusto po kayo.
Asiat. Mano ba?
Last January 15, if you saw my speech, I'm with the 307 San Mariano Masonic Lodge.
San Mariano.
Isabela. I have helped 20,000 recipients, providing about hundreds of with disabilities pre-wheelchair and thousand after thousand with those visually impaired. Right after nila lumabas ako ng gulungan, I never spent a single day in my life not to serve people. So, January na. Don't worry. We will not. No, we will watch it together. Yeah. Basta ka na. Smoking. Stop it. Why? Blessing is just around the corner. You know, when I
Kakarating na namin dito sa edad.
I asked God for strength. You know, but He sent me a lot of trouble people to help. When I pray for wisdom, He gave me a lot of problems to solve. Then I realized my prayer was answered.
Kasi nagbibigay ka dito.
So one day, namiss talaga kita, payakap na. Oh my God. So what it be? What it be? Yeah, you know, every time I ask the great architect of the universe, grant me guidance, strengthen what my heart can carry. You know, when I'm during my incarceration, I almost lost everything, even my own shadow. But I lost my wife, the Miss Universe. She left me. I lost my kids. I lost my faith. Now it's all coming back to me.
Very good. You remember... Oh, good. How do you...
No, can we sit together? Mamaya ka na si Mami.
You remember the story of Hope?
Yes.
He lost everything. But the Lord gave it back to him.
This is that. I'm on the aircraft, Father. Let me give you a little story. March 15, 2 a.m. in the morning. It was Friday.
What year?
2020. I'm on the aircraft going to Japan. going to Japan. Because every Friday, I have visited my wife in Japan. My wife is a Japanese, a Miss Universe, Crown Miss Universe in Japan. Oliva. Then, every Friday, nagtay ako pupunta Japan, tapos babalik ako ng Manila every Monday morning. Nandun ako sa aircraft. I have watched my phone with President Duterte announcing going to lock down the Philippines. So, whoever has the capacity to help the people must come out. So instead, before they close the door, the aircraft, nalataw, bumaba ako. So, umuwi ako sa bahay, natulog ako. In my dreams, I have seen two ways. I have seen people suffering na hindi pa naglalakon nila kasi alas 6 pa lang na umaga, nakabalik na ako sa bahay, natulog ulit ako. Then, I have seen something, a very terrifying way. There is two roads.
Good afternoon, everyone. We will be starting the program in 5 minutes, so kindly take a comfortable seat here. 919-087-1182. Sino po yun? Ayun, si Ninang pala. Aquarius po ang tamang sagot. Okay. Okay, so for our next question, what is Mirafest?
Oh,
Pinasok po kasi isang private school sa Manila,
bilangan niya,
sa
ha?
Bible School, Bible College sa Manila. Siya po lahat ang nag-provide from tuition fee, uniform, lahat po, pati pagkain, pati allowance, yan po lahat ang bigay. For the glory of God, tapos po ng college, pinadala po kagad ako sa London. So sabi ko, when I went to London, you know, mga missionary po tayo ako sa business, heavily. And then, si Mami po, nung nag-start ko sa business, I started as caterer and then restaurants. Si Mami po nag-inspire sa akin na pumunta sa business. And then suddenly, we never realized we've done so much of this.
happy tayo, happy kami na.
Si Mami po nag-inspire po sa akin. Lahat po na ginawa namin mag-asawa, lahat po na ginawa as far as business is concerned and ministry as well, siya po ang nag-encourage po sa amin. Siya po ang aming partner, siya po yung aming mami. I'm telling you, kung susulat po ako ng libro, kulang po ang isang araw, isang buwan, para isulat po lahat ng ginawang kabutihan po ng ating mami. So, hindi ko po alam kung ano po yung pinaka-importante, pero ang masasabi ko po sa inyo right now, my mom